Hiya crafty folks, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and in front of me I have the November 2023 release at A Colorful Life Designs. Now this is actually the last new release for the calendar year. Mary Kay at A Colorful Life Designs doesn't do new releases on December, so you'll still see loads of inspiration as me and the rest of the design team will create with some older stencils from the shop. So as you know, there's thousands of stencils in the shop to choose from, pretty much anything you can think of, and the best thing about the stencils is that they don't ever get discontinued. So if you see something you like, it'll always be available because Mary Kay, if she doesn't already have it on hand, she will make it on demand for you. So that's one of the unique, cool things about A Colorful Life Designs is that there's so many thousands of options, but nothing ever gets discontinued. So you're always able to get it. So anyway, let's jump right in. I have the November release here. Okay, got my blingage, really pretty orangey gold set of flat back sequins. Just going to set this off to the side and then I will walk through this release with you. Okay, we'll start with the stamp. This is called Seasons Tweetings. It's a cute little pun. Seasons Tweetings. I got this adorable little bird with a Santa hat. It says Be Merry. And then silver white winters that melt into spring. So this would be great for, you know, holiday or for just a winter card, or you could build it into, you know, a thank you card or something like that. So super cute stamp. And this is a 3x4 photopolymer stamp set. Okay. So I'm going to start off with this layered stencil. So fun. This is called Layered Ho Ho Ho. So this one, you're probably going to want to look at examples. I don't know if you can kind of see. It spells out ho 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 and then an exclamation point. So it's probably kind of hard to see on the screen, but it's got all these different layers. So you can build the sentiment basically that's all the way across the front, or all the words. You build them with different colors. Super colorful and fun. So I'm really excited to play with that one. If you're having a hard time visualizing it, have no fear. Just take a look on the website. I'll link everything below, and then you'll see samples of how this awesome stencil looks. It's very unique. Okay, this one comes in its own little plastic thing because there's more than one piece. This is called Joy Bird Mask. This is so cute. I love when she does designs like this because it basically has a sentiment and it has a focal point all right in there. So I'll hold this up to an A2 size card in a moment. Don't mind the loud drawers. But here is, so you can see it's actually bigger than an A2 size. So this would work really well on a 5x7 or on an A2 where the design would just kind of go off the edge, which I don't mind that at all. So again, this adorable Joy Bird Mask. And then you get this outer masking portion as well. If you didn't want the ink to go beyond this, you could just kind of contain the ink or whatever medium you're blending through it right there. So there's that one. I have another layered one. This is called Layered Stars 1 and Layered Stars 2. You can see you have the cutout inner portion. So this would be really nice to do like maybe like a darker yellow, or you could do, I don't know, maybe you could take this layer on like a dark cardstock or maybe like a navy, and then you could make it like a white pigment, and then you could come in with this layer and then maybe do like a glittery gel medium or something like that, with a little spackling wedge that I can never remember. Palette knife, there we go, something like this where you could just kind of put it right through that opening and get that cool look. So very versatile, very fun. Okay, this super cute little tree, it's looking like it's straight out of Dr. Seuss, is called, oh, Grinch Treat. There you have it. Fitting name. So cute. So you could use this, you know, to create a background, or you could use it with cute critter stamps, or if you have anything like Dr. Seuss, you could totally tie that together, make a Grinch card. Super cute. Okay, this is Layered Holly Sprig. So this one's fun. It's layered because it's kind of sectioned off. So you could, you know, ink blend this portion here with some green, and then you could come in and flip it over and then do red berries and then do some veins for the leaves. So very fun. And this is a 6x9. So this is a nice, decent sized you know, holly leaf here. You can see it's a nice, actually it's perfect because you could easily put a sentiment here. It would make a really nice, easy composition. I don't know if you can see that, but really nice layout there. Okay, another cute little tree. Excuse me, this is called Jointed Tree, kind of whimsical and abstract. You could actually just take this off and just make it like a cool design feature, not even necessarily a tree. Look almost like, I don't know, Aztec or mid-century, or I don't know. Just kind of cool. Very versatile. Okay, this is Groovy Garland. Super cute. So obviously you could make this more holiday or seasonal, or honestly you could just do it year-round. This would be really cute for a hippie sort of card, or really anything. You could do it in kind of lighter colors and then have like a nice focal point critter or something like that. Very fun. This is Big Ornament. Look at this. So pretty. So again, this you could totally go seasonal. You can see the size of this maybe. You could totally go seasonal, or you could just use this year round. Again, this would be a nice subtle background, or you could just do really bright in your face color. That would be a fun option there. Oh, this one is fun. Star ring. You guys know I love the ones when they're a ring like this, because it just automatically brings the eyes into the center. So you could put a nice, you know, fatty sentiment in there, or a little critter or something, and you know the eye will go to the right place. Oh, this is really cool. Starry top. So this looks like a quilt to me. This, I feel like you could go so many directions. This would also make a really quick and easy geometric card for guy cards or dude cards, if you struggle with those. But this might be one of my favorites so far. This is so cool. And then I may have spoken too soon, because this next one up is adorable. Mistletoe rainbow. How cute is this? So absolutely you could make this mistletoe and do it in Christmassy colors, or obviously year round. This is just so, so cute. You can see if you turn A2 size card horizontal, you can see it covers almost perfectly. So really great size on that. And you could totally mask off or come in with just a little, you know, blending brush and do those all different colors. Oh, this one is so fun. Flake Meltdown. So again, could be seasonal or could just be cool. I would use this anytime throughout the year. This is such a cool design. Again, this would be a really easy gender neutral or masculine card, you know, something for anybody. So that would be great. Okay, this is Prim Snowflake. Oh, look at that. You guys know I love her snowflake. She has so many different snowflake ones in the shop, which are so easy and quick to make such an impressive card. You just lay down some beautiful color with ink blending and these amazing designs, and it's boom, done. Super easy. So I'll definitely be batching some cards with this for the holidays. So Prim Snowflake, so gorgeous. Definitely a favorite there. Okay, Forest of Trees. Super fun. You got all these little dots and all these cute little trees. Really fun. 6x6. Okay, Whispy Floral. Oh, look at that. Wouldn't this be fun in like a subtle gray with maybe like, I don't know, like a popped up floral stamp or something? I don't know. It's just really, really cool. I like that one a lot. Okay, and this one we have Yuletide Floral. This one is so cool. Look at all this detail. So you would think this might be kind of delicate and move around on you, but the connection points are so close that it's actually, you wouldn't even really need pixie spray, if you can believe it. So even though the lines are so tiny, because the connection points are close, it's really quite stable. Okay, and then finally here we have big candy canes. So you can see this. Look at this. Perfect. You could even do this and then flip it. Do like little X'd candy canes. That'd be super cute. And then a little sentiment, easy Christmas card. Done. So many stencils. Great for seasonal holiday cards, but as you can imagine, great year-round. So many options. Be sure to check out the rest of the release and use my coupon AmyFan10 if you shop. You'll save 10% on your complete order at Colorful Life Designs. That also applies to this adorable stamp. Now, if you want an even bigger discount, there is something called a Master Creator Bundle where you could get this entire collection for 20% off. And I will link that as well below. If you follow that link, I'll get credit for it. So I really appreciate it. That and any other links. It always helps out the creators. So if you appreciate their work and want to give them a thank you, then give them a thumbs up. Leave them a comment. Use their affiliate links. That's the best way to help us out. So Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Be sure to check out this amazing November release, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.